What's up, YouTube? Beyond Two Wheels. Right now I'm heading up to Electric City Harley Davidson. I'm in my wife's truck. No bike today with work and the way everything was working out. This is like a last minute thing, so I'm just gonna run up there right now and see if I can't get the rest of the footage of the ending result of the bike build. Like I said, they started early on Saturday the 29th. So I missed a good portion of everything. My apologies again. So I'm going to go up here and see. I know I'm speaking with the mechanic. He said Tuesday they would end up starting and whatnot. So I want to run up here right now and see if I can't get some footage of it, of the end result of it, and see what they say. And we'll see what happens. So you guys stick around and see you in a moment when I reach there. Alright, YouTube, here I am pulling up to Electric City Harley Davidson, so I'm gonna run in real quick and see what they say. Alright, so I just spoke to Eddie, the owner of the bike. If you saw part one, you know what he looks like. And they're doing regular stuff right now. They're doing their usual store hours, mechanics, and working right now. So he's actually gonna give me a call, and I'm gonna come back up and get you the footage of the finished product. So stick around. I'll be back in a bit. Electric City Harley Davidson, back again. Let's go take a look at the bike. Hopefully I don't get copywritten. So I got a call from Eddie the technician. He told me his bike was done and that I can come up and take a look at it. So we're gonna do it right now. I don't know, hopefully we're the first ones to see it, but who knows. Either way, still looking forward to seeing it. So this is gonna be awesome. There's the man of the hour right there.
What's going on, my man?
You tell me what's going on, bro.
We are ready to go back and fire it up. So whenever you're ready, we'll just come back with the crowd and we'll let them see what's going on.
I'm ready.
We'll get her going here.
So let's go take a look. This is something else. It used to be sitting right there. It used to be right there. Now it's in the back, ready to be fired up. So we're gonna wait for him to come back out, and we're gonna hear the bike. So I got something on my glasses and it's right in my view. So I'm gonna go take a look. Hey.
Glad to see you again.
Glad to see you again. Alright guys, here we go. Oh yeah, and one other thing. I was told the wrong time. They actually started the time that they were supposed to. I was the one that was told the wrong time. So they didn't start early. Like I said in my other video, they were on time. I was just told the wrong time.
I will zoom out and then.
Yeah, how do you want me to go about doing that? Let me take my cheaters off.
Can you tell us? First? Thank you so much for coming. There's other building where you're like. Step aside. So I'm going to float here. Step aside.
like to thank everyone who showed up for the 131 build, and I would also like to thank Brian Zhang for putting up with me and putting this bike together. So here we go.
Nasty. Nasty.
Thanks, my man. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
That's the man right there, Eddie. El Diablo. Done. You guys heard it first. Can't wait to see it out there. Matter of fact, there's the man responsible for it right there. Brian.
What's going on?
Correct?
Yes, sir.
The man, the myth, the legend, the magic hands.
What's happening?
Nothing. Good job on that bike.
Oh,
there,
thank
man.
you.
Good job on that bike.
Thank you. He's happy. That's all that matters.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he is.
What's going on, man? How
What's
we doing?
going on? What's up with you, brother?
Same shit, different day. How about yourself?
Nah.
How's the ride down? Good?
Yeah. Oh, heck yeah. All right, guys. So we're going to end it right here, up here at Electric City Harley Davidson in Dixon City. If you guys don't know about it, you know about it now. Parts, work, upgrades, they do it all. And there's the proof right there.
Make your dreams come true.
Yes, yes. Yes, they do. So talk to you guys later. Peace.
I'd like to thank everyone for coming back this past Saturday. Blah, blah, blah. Let me try again. Are you talking like that? He's gonna probably hope he edits.
We'll edit that. We'll edit that out.